Hey, what's up guys? It's Sean with Knowles Power Equipment, and today I am back with another attachment. Guys, one of the really cool things about these AVANTs is they advertise as one machine, 200 attachments, over 200 attachments. And as you see behind me here is just because the attachment wasn't necessarily designed for what you're using it for, you can still use it for. So we're back here at our new property, 100 Outlook Lane in Shippensburg. We are working on renovating this place. The contractor's gonna be in here in the next couple weeks working on redoing everything, renovating everything. And we're in here, I mean, we are yanking out walls, we're pulling up carpet, and we're using an AVANT with a set of pallet forks and a thumb. So some of you guys have actually asked about this attachment. Probably not for the use in this way, but hey, check it out, it's kind of cool. Look over there. Guys, like I said, one machine, over 200 attachments, and those 200 attachments can be used for multiple things. So we're here today ripping out all this stuff, getting ready for the new building, getting ready for the renovation. Guys, if you have an AVANT and you've got a set of those pallet forks and you're interested in what it looks like to put one of those thumbs on it and make that thing be able to do just about anything now, give us a call, 717-423-6300. You know the deal. Ask for Lewis. He's gonna be able to help you out. Pretty awesome little attachment that you can add to set your pallet forks. Just makes it a whole lot more versatile. You can do a whole lot more with it. So guys, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for checking out another attachment.